Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you have clicked on this link, then you must know what is domain and hosting. If you want to build a website, then you need to have domain and hosting. Today I want to tell you about Hostinger. If you are a beginner and if you want to buy hosting, then there is no better platform than Hostinger. I am speaking because I am using it for many years. It is not that I have not used any other platform before this. There will be no platform other than Hostinger which I have not used, but believe me, there is no one better than Hostinger. But maybe the question will come in your mind that why I am saying this. So let me explain. I am telling the pros first. Number 1. Hostinger is great web hosting for beginners. Their outstanding support team will guide you if you have any problem with your site. They have got excellent features and their introductory prices are the lowest in the market. So I can say great value for money. Number 2. Hostinger is really fast. 99.9% uptime granted. It has decent uptime. Cheap web hosting services might seem appealing on the surface, but it is not worth going to the route if your uptime rate are going to be insufficient. Hostinger doesn't have the best uptime rates in the industry, but they are not the lower either. Hostinger deliver an average of 99.9% uptime. Great. Overall, Hostinger uptime rate are good enough for the most of the website. Another pro is faster loading with Cache Manager. It is easy to think that you are sacrificing quality when the price is so good. With Hostinger, this is not the case. In fact, they offer some of the fastest speeds for the price point out there. On their website, Hostinger state that their server response time is 43 milliseconds, which is very good. Either way, you can expect to have loading time somewhere in the 300 to 400 millisecond range on the average. Again, this is still pretty good for the price. The industry average for the page loading speed is closer than 900 millisecond. So Hostinger pretty much cuts the number in half. The another pro is money back guarantee. So if you are unhappy with the Hostinger web hosting services, you can get the money refunded within 30 days of signing up. If you are on the fence, this should be a great deal for you. You are essentially getting 30 days of free hosting. Great. Hostinger having free domain and website builder. All Hostinger plan comes with the free domain and website builders. So for those who are building a website from scratch, you can take advantage of Hostinger easy to use Drag-and-Drop builder. They have lot of great templates for you to use as a starting point as well. So Hostinger having excellent custom dashboard, responsive support, unlimited features, great introductory prices, and moreover they all have Zero website builder. Another part is price. Hostinger is very cheap. In fact, it's constantly one of the lowest priced hosting option in our research. Let me talk about cons. I'm not finding any major cons of Hostinger. The only con maybe there is no daily backup. I think this is not a big issue. Verdict. Is Hostinger the right web host for you? After messing about our test sites, playing with the features and getting an overall feel of Hostinger's web hosting services, I must say that Hostinger truly is a very great, strong host. If you are just starting out or thinking about getting your feet wet in blogging business, you won't have to worry about a thing when going with Hostinger. Their excellent services combined with their insanely low price points make them the host with the best value for money. If you find that you are not getting enough down the road, you will always have the option to upgrade the premium features. So don't think further, just go ahead and sign up if you are thinking to build your website. Link in the description, you will get handsome discount also. Bye bye.